The museum again, and here's the cow again. Another cow.
The goats.
I didn't see that yesterday.
It's new.
I don't think it's new. Look, the goats. The goats again. And a different goat. They took their mommy away from them. Why would they do such a thing? I saw that one in another area before.
Maybe they
So
ran
let's go
away
to the
from
babies.
it.
Come on, let's go to the babies. Aww.
What is it doing?
Mom, what's it doing? The same little ones from before.
That's the dad, because the dads are always smaller.
I think it has trouble moving. Did it get smaller?
No.
Another goat. And a horse. And another one. I did not see horses last time. That's cool. Let's see, I'm walking to it. It's kind of skinny. Do you hear it munching? What? Cool. I don't think this is very, safe. Couldn't they, jump over it or something? Whoa, it's twitching. Look at the other one. I hear it munching. I don't know if I can pet it or not. I'm afraid that it's gonna bite me. What's this way? Proszę nie zbliżać się i nie karmić zwierząt. Okay, so don't get too close. I should listen to that. These horses are way too skinny. But they're still pretty. What is wrong with that cow? Moo! Fail. There's a pony! Look, two horses, and then there's like a pony or something over there. A black pony.
They moved the family.
Oh! The other one's coming.
They moved the family.
That's a huge one. Damen, you can't get too close to it because it said don't go too close. Mama, can we pet it?
Don't go too close.
That is a beautiful horse.
No, they moved the family. Like the mom.
Okay, yes, Damen, I know. Oh, it's a pony.
Hey. Hey.
No. I don't know what sound ponies make. Do they make horse sounds?
I don't know.
Yeah, I think it's either. Let's go to the cow, but not too close so that it doesn't kick our heads off. Be careful so that no roosters pounce on our faces. There's the cow over there. Oh, it's looking at me. Ooh. Don't. Whoa, it's got awesome bangs.
Because I was making a tune. So I guess I was annoying.
Mama, look at the pony. We're actually this close to it. I'm not zoomed in or anything, but I don't want to touch it because I think they eat termites.
Ew, it has dirty teeth.
What do you expect, then?
Oh. Ew, it sounds disgusting. It's like.
Oh, she's so pretty. Look at how it's chewing. Babies! Oh, the baby one.
Daddy, come back.
Baby, come here. It's licking my fingers instead of the grass. Oh, no. Do you remember me? Whoa, the goat's coming. Okay. Hey, stop licking.
That's good.
Was it supposed to be separated from its mom?
I don't know, maybe. Yeah, probably.
Why? Poor little fish.
For drying. That's
No,
where-
look. No, seriously, look. They're like all rainbow and
Okay,
stuff.
hold on.
Wrapped around the chandelier. Who did this?
Why can't you like do that one at this house? Look, it's a weighing machine. Not a machine, but it's a weighing. Where did you lock this? Come on. Explode some more.
The
Look,
furnace.
you go to the pit, to the main house. Oh yeah.
Yes.
Why can't you use the... I want to use it.
Bochan.
Like,
What do I use it? There's a big black cloud above us. Just our luck. Look at the view from down here. Look, people live there.
follow me.
The bridge. Houses. Look at this view. Why did the camera have to die? Why? Ignore it so that... It's coming. Mama, it's coming. It's coming. Go. Oh my god.
They don't want to, it's their territory. Geese can.
Oh my god.
That was a boy.
Okay, pause.
Balls. Like huge balls.
Okay then. That it was nice. Just when we thought that it stopped, it got worse. And now we're soaked. Oh gosh. Soaked.
Whether you're a mother or whether you're a mother, you're staying alive, staying alive. Feel the singing breaking